One of the things that I love living here in Charleston is being on the water, swimming, and I have a little boogie board that I love to ride. In 2004, I was on my way to work and was involved in a car accident. I sustained an open fracture of the talus. And going into surgery that day, they weren't really sure, because this is in 2004. They were really unsure if they could salvage the foot. The first surgery, I woke up, I still had the foot, and a few days later, I had a second surgery. And from there, they pinned everything back together because my injury consisted of the talus, which is the round bone that kind of holds the tibia and the fibia. And it was cut in half and open. So at that point, they really had to piece it together, so there were pins in that talus. And over time, it just, the bone died.
This is really an uncommon injury. Normally with ankle fractures, people heal up just fine. However, in her instance, it led to arthritis and a little bit of death of her talus. One of the main concerns that I had when considering what type of surgery we wanted to do is, can the ankle replacement take care of all of her pain? Now, what's interesting is that our CT scan was able to show us, and then with some 3D planning software preoperatively, we can show that we can actually remove enough bone from her talus with our implant, and then get rid of her arthritis completely with the ankle replacement.
Coming out of the surgery, I think Dr. Gross did an incredible job. And I knew, because he was the surgeon he had given me the best. Now it was up to me.
Now, what's remarkable about her recovery is that only after 2 years or so from surgery, she's now about to go hike in the French Alps. And for that, I'm proud of her surgery, and I'm proud of what she did.
The pain that I had experienced prior to surgery was gone. So that's incredible, and that's all to the expertise of Dr. Gross.